say happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's.
May pa-surprise si Apam. You wow.
Happy Valentine's.
Oh wow, you say happy Valentine's. You tell me happy Valentine's. Thank you.
Happy Valentine.
Thank you, happy Valentine. Oh wow. And where is the letter? Wow. Very, very nice. May pa-surprise si Apam. Wow, very nice. We have a small cake. You see? Small cake. Wow. Very nice. I love you, Apam. Happy Valentine's Day, my love. I know I love you. Before I met you, I can truly be blessed to have you in my life. Oh, very nice message. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my Apam. And he have a letter. You see? He said, Happy Valentine's Day to Vilma with all my love from your loving husband. Oh, wow, so sweet. And he made a picture. James. I'm shouting James because he's very difficult to hear me. And then we're going to get a tricycle to go a shopping center. And then I said to James, oh my goodness, my leg is pain. We are the perfect couple. Isang bingi at siyang may masakit sa may masakit sa hita. Mahirap pa kalakad. We are perfect. Thank you. Thank you so much. Happy Valentine's. And don't forget po na laging mag-iwan ng bakas para po masundan po kayo ng aming mga followers ng aking hobby. At sipag lang po para po tayo makadami at mag-boom po tayo at dumami rin po ang ating followers katulad ng iba pong na mga big content creators. Sipag at syaga lang, mag-iwan ng mag-iwan ng bakas. You cannot say. Yeah. Mag-iwan ng bakas lang palagi. Sipag at syaga. Thank you. Happy Valentine's to all. Thank you to all your support, my followers and non-followers. Thank you for your support. Bye-bye. Thank you. Happy Valentine's.